Hey, welcome to the Danger Zone. It's Ashley. Everything in this video was found on a public domain, and the full disclaimer is down below. Lots of love and many blessings your way. And a big thank you to my friends Holly and Shoshana. Okay, you guys, it seems like all of Hollywood is now laughing at both Meghan and Harry. Meghan recently ordered her agent to find her a part in a big old Marvel movie. She wants to be a superhero. You know it's bad when Joan Collins has a laugh over all of this. Check this out, you guys. Guys, everybody's laughing at them. Okay, so I don't believe in coincidences. It just so happens that Diana, a true musical story, will be making its debut on the 31st of March. So March 31st ends their senior royal status. If Harry can go ahead, make a profit, a complete living off of the life of his dead mother, oh no. What's that say about who he really is? He just wrapped up his freebie song Unbroken with Bon Jovi for the Invictus games. And another member of the band of Bon Jovi's created the music for this Diana musical, celebrating Diana's life, her freedom from the royal family. Now, speaking of suspicious timing, I found it odd too that her Vice Channel documentary, Meghan Markle Escaping the Crown, is set to air the 10th of March. How low can they go? And like I said, this is just the beginning, y'all. But the Queen really wants to keep her loving arms open for the couple? Oh, no, no, no. I'm now wondering if the Queen said that to Harry to keep the nuclear from reacting. I'll see you soon and we'll talk fast. Y'all stay safe and be blessed.